What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best automatic soap dispensers. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Simplehuman. The Simplehuman 8-ounce sensor soap pump is highly convenient for kitchens, bathrooms, or commercial settings. When you put your hand under the nozzle, a predetermined amount of soap is dispensed with no dripping to avoid a mess on your counters. You can dial in the amount of soap you wish to be dispensed, so you can easily adjust how much or how little is delivered with each pump action. It is also very easy to refill as the top and back parts lift off, allowing you to refill with any Simplehuman branded soap or soaps without exfoliants. The Simplehuman 8-ounce sensor soap pump is powered with 4 AA batteries, which means that you don't need to wire the dispenser into mains power. Of course, this can create some issues if you need to change the batteries when there is soap remaining in the reservoir. The batteries are loaded vertically, which means that you do need to tip the unit slightly to get the batteries in, which can risk spilling some soap. For this reason, many users use a rechargeable battery set, which enables battery replacement each time you refill the unit with soap, without worrying about wasting batteries. So, if you're looking for a neat and compact soap dispenser that will not generate waste or leave gunk on your counters, the Simplehuman 8-ounce sensor soap pump is a great choice. Number 4. Hanamichi soap dispenser. The Lix's automatic soap dispenser isn't made from stainless steel but high-quality ABS plastic, and this is to guarantee its durability and ensure that it doesn't rust. Water or liquid soap cannot damage the electric board because of the IP65 waterproof, and battery corrosion is prevented as the battery box is shielded from the liquid inflow. The Lix's automatic soap dispenser is touchless and has an appealing design. All you have to do is stretch your hand in its front, and in split seconds, it will draw its usual 1 to 1.5 milliliters. The soap dispenser also features PIR sensor testing technology and anti-infrared interference, making it very sensitive and efficient. It's movable and requires no installation. In this period where germs, different diseases, and viruses are surfacing from different angles of the world, better hygiene is needed. Thus, everyone needs a soap dispenser like the Lix's automatic soap dispenser to stay safe and clean. Whether you want to use it in your hospital, hotel, bathroom, or kitchen, this soap dispenser will perform effectively, and it's a needed investment for healthy living. Number 3. Simplehuman 9 ounces. The Simplehuman 9 ounces touch-free liquid soap pump dispenser is one of our most recommended choices because of its stylish stainless steel body available in brass, brushed, polished rose gold and white colors. Apart from the visually appealing classic look, this device is an upgraded model with a touch sensor that provides sufficient volume control depending on the hand distance. It is a freestanding device that can be placed on the sink or bathroom countertop. The volume capacity is a good 9 ounces, which should be enough for long-term use. The power is supplied through a rechargeable battery with a 3-month battery life per charge. The dimensions are 4.4 by 2.8 by 6.8 inches, making it take less space than most of its rivals. Another outstanding feature of the Simplehuman 9 ounces touch-free liquid soap pump dispenser is its clog-free tubing pump. It saves a lot of your time and energy because you won't have to waste it on cleaning the dispenser. It also has an efficient no-drip valve, which helps to prevent any mess. This particular device comes with a good 2 years of warranty to ensure that the product has a long life. However, with this automatic soap dispenser, you can't see how much soap is left in the reservoir because it isn't transparent. Number 2. Secura automatic foaming soap. The Secura automatic foaming soap dispenser has a sleek design with a transparent liquid container. It is available in black, white, and blue colors, and high-quality ABS plastic enhances that elegant look. Thanks to the 14 ounces volume, you won't need to add more soap frequently. It is a compact model with IPX4 waterproof rating. It allows you to use a mixture of soap and water, but for better results, the manufacturer recommends using foaming hand soap. The Secura automatic foaming soap dispenser is powered by 4 AA batteries that provide a sufficient lifetime. This particular choice has a high-speed activation, making it appealing to several users. Just like most products, the Secura automatic foaming soap dispenser also comes with a 2-year warranty. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the required volume control feature, which can make it more convenient to use. Still, the amount of foam you get per activation is optimal. Number 1. ADKO Wall-Mounted Soap. The ADKO wall-mounted automatic soap dispenser is a model more suitable for commercial use or for common bathrooms used by more than 2 people. The silver stainless steel body, with hints of black on the top, give it an industrial look. As the name suggests, it is a wall-mounted dispenser that requires installation. Fortunately, the mounting kit is included with this product. The capacity of this particular device is 20.2 ounces, meaning that it can carry enough liquid soap for everyone. Although it has high capacity, its 3.7x 3.9x 8-inch body doesn't need much space. However, there is no volume control, but that is common for those devices. It is operated by 4 AA batteries, which you can easily find almost anywhere. This means that it's a quite cost-effective option. Additionally, it comes with a low battery indicator, which makes it more convenient to use. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today.